Yan guys, so kung sino man guys maka-sponsor ng speaker. Wala sa akin. Yan guys, so wala kasing speaker.
Video mo yan kanta. Nagkakanta. I can see the pain living in your eyes. And I know
Kanta na, kanta.
hard to try. Sad to have so much more. Baby, I can feel your heart and I sympathize. And I never criticize.
Okay, so
If ever meant to let
buuan na.
I don't wanna say goodbye. I don't wanna lead you on. I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. Anymore. I would rather hurt myself that you ever make you cry. There's nothing left to
Ito kasi guys na speaker namin, walang salpakan ng mic, dapat maliit lang.